Hey everyone, welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this PR package by Varnail. They sent me a bunch of different goodies and I'm so excited to unbox it and try everything with you. So let's see everything that they sent me. The very first thing that probably caught your eye as well is the hard bubble wrap. I love that. And then when you unfold that, you see a bunch of different nail files. Some are for natural nails, some are actually the gray one is a buffer and the other two are regular files. Then after that they also sent me this cuticle pusher. I would use this for prepping the natural nail. It kind of reminds me of a glass file, but it's more like a stone. It's very interesting. I like it. I'm gonna try this. And after that they sent me their own solid nail glue, and it is in this cute little packaging. I actually really like their packaging. It's really minimalistic, and the actual pot itself has a really cool design. You will see once I take it out. It's really nice. I like the packaging a lot. I haven't seen a little jar like this before. And the solid nail tips glue is just clear and sticky. And after that they also sent me a base coat. Once again, I really like their packaging. It reminds me a little bit of Vetsy's packaging, but they have a different color and I really like how they look like. They're big bottles as well. They also sent me a tempered top coat, which is a lot shinier than a regular top coat. Such a cool product, and I really enjoyed using this. You will see it later on. Along with that, they sent me a bunch of their solid gel polishes, and they sent me this awesome neon collection that's for like the summertime, and it comes with a brush and all of these different beautiful colors. I'm going to show you every color real quick so you get a sense of everything that's included in this kit in case you want to purchase one for yourself. All of these colors are super vibrant and you will see me use them later on, and you will see just how pigmented they are. I was really surprised because sometimes the solid colors are not as pigmented, but these really were just super pigmented. Really surprised. And I would really recommend this for nail art as well. If you're a beginner and you want a more solid product to work with to make line work and paint different things, solid gels, especially these ones, are going to literally become one of your favorite things. And of course, it included a nail brush, which is really nice, really fine bristles. I also really enjoyed using this. And lastly, they sent me some of their soft gel tips, which are in medium almond. I really enjoy using soft gel tips. You've seen me use from other brands in the past. These are on the thinner side, which makes them pretty flexible, but they're still pretty sturdy. And I really like the shape. I really think that they're beautiful. So this is everything that they sent me. I am so excited to go ahead and show you what I did for nail art today. So let's get started. So we're going back to the soft gel tips, and the very first thing we're going to do is pick out all the sizes for our nails. You want to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall and that they're going to cover your entire nail. If you want, you can file your cuticle area to fit perfectly to your natural nails. And after you've picked up all of your tips, you're going to go ahead and swoop up a little bit of the product, and you're going to start applying it straight to your natural nails. Of course, you need to add a layer of base coat before that. As you can see, I have applied it, and then you just swoop a small amount and you just apply it at the cuticle area, or you can just slide it onto your nails from the top part and down like I did on this nail. You see me use a couple different methods. I wanted to show you how to do it differently. So yeah, I've done a lot of videos on applying soft gel tips, so if you would like to see more in-depth tutorials, I can leave a link to those. And of course, when you press them down, there's always a chance that some of the gel is going to come out of the sides. You can just go ahead and scrape that a little bit with either your nail or a cuticle pusher and just put it back into the little jar. So this is really easy to use. I'm actually pretty surprised with the consistency of this product. Most solid gel glues that I've used are usually very hard. They're not as runny as this one. This is not, you can see that it's not runny in the sense that it's not a liquid gel. But it's more liquid than, let's say, the Vetsy or the Born Pretty solid glue. This, in my opinion, makes application easier because it is on the thinner side, and as a result it creates less of a barrier between the nail and the tip. Anyway, after you're done applying all of them, you're going to go ahead and apply a layer of base coat again to make sure that the polish will adhere. I'm going to just apply a very thin layer of a jelly pink color. You can use any jelly pink color of your choice. And then I'm going to take a detail brush and I'm going to go ahead and dip into different colors and start creating different designs. I wanted to go for like an abstract, I don't know what kind of era this is, maybe like 70s kind of look. I had so much fun just putting colors together and just trying different designs. So I just kind of, freestyled it. I started adding swirls and circles and patterns on them with different colors, whatever just looked good in my eyes and whatever colors I thought matched, which, to be honest, this particular kit, all the colors are just matching because they're all neon and vibrant. So yeah, you don't really have to follow any particular pattern. As you can see, the colors are very, very pigmented, and I was super surprised with this, and I strongly recommend them for nail art. Like, if you're a beginner and you're looking for colors to start with, in order to not only paint a full nail but also do line work just like I'm doing here, go ahead and get these and you're going to love them. I had so much fun playing around with these, and yeah, they are definitely recommended by me. I really, really enjoyed them. Also, I have to note that the people from Varnail are really, really nice. So yeah, this was such a beautiful collaboration. I just had a really nice time communicating with them and also creating the content for them. So yeah, if you would like to support my channel and also support them as a business and get products that are really, really good quality that you can literally see me using, that are super pigmented, and make some beautiful art with, I have a discount code that you can use, and I will link it in the description as well with everything else that you might want to purchase from the video. So yeah, go ahead and give them a try, and if you have any questions on how to use something, or if you need any product recommendations about anything, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram. I always try to get back to everyone, even in comments here on YouTube. I just try to reply and send links and be as helpful as I can, because I know that a lot of people that watch my channel are beginners, and I just want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So yeah, just let me know if you have any questions, or if you would like any guidance with like products, or even if you would like me to make a video where I specifically talk about beginner friendly products for like nail art or building nails and stuff like that. So yeah. So after we put together all of the line work and made these fun funky nails, I'm going to use Rhinestone Glue, apply some on the cuticle area on each nail, and then I'm going to add some of these colorful neon rhinestones. I just thought that these would add such a fun pop of color and just make it like really nicely blend into the whole look. So I just went ahead and did that, and of course, after you cure those, it is time to use the tempered top coat that they sent me. As you can see, it applies beautifully. It's on the thinner side, so you're really not going to use a large quantity of it in order to achieve a very shiny look, and in general, it just shines so beautifully. It's not sticky at all, cures perfectly. I really, really like this top coat. Of course, you cannot forget the cuticle oil to nourish your cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun putting this look together. In general, I like using polishes like that to create line work and nail art like this, which is abstract, and I hope that it inspires you to do something out of the ordinary and try experimenting with new techniques or different designs or different products and colors. So yeah, if you want any of these products, they're going to be listed in the description down below, and I will be seeing you on my very next video. Bye!